Kedarnath is a town in the Indian state of Uttarakhand and has gained importance because of Kedarnath temple. It is located in the Himalayas about 3,853 meters above sea level near Chorabari glaciers. Kedarnath Mandir is a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. One of the most sacred pilgrimages of Lord Shiva, situated in the Rudraprayag district of Garhwal region. Being powerful is another name of Shiva, the protector and the destroyer. Kedarnath is a strictly vegetarian place and consumption of alcohol is prohibited there. The historical name of this region is Kedarnath. This temple is one of the four major sites of India's Chota Char Dham of northern Himalayas. Kedarnath is such a beautiful place and every Bhakta of Lord Shiva should visit there once in a lifetime.
People of the Kedarnath, many ethnic groups have different cultures and traditions. Besides the Greeks of Uttarakhand, the most dominant ethnic groups are Rajis, Thoras, etc. The lower land is occupied by the Sikhs and the Gujars. Languages and the religions. Hindi is the widely spoken language that was spoken by the people of this state. Besides the Pahari language is also spoken by the different religions. People of this state stick to their cultures, religions and traditions. Food. The most popular food of this state are ras, khajals, chapatis, etc. Fat and festivals. There are many festivals that are celebrated by their peoples all over the India. Example Janmashtami.
Kedarnath temple is one of the most important holy shrines of Chardham Yatra. In Hinduism, the importance of Kedarnath temple is very high. Kedarnath temple has been aged more than 1000 years, showing the symbol of presence of 12 Jyotirlings of Lord Shiva. This temple is built by Sri Adi Shankaracharya. The significance of Kedarnath temple is that it dictates the historical chapter of that opens up the story of Mahabharata, wherein the Pandavas, after killing their cousin brother Kaurava, feel themselves guilty and look for Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva evaded on account of considering Pandavas guilty. In order to do so, Lord Shiva transformed himself into a bull and grounded himself. According to mythology, the different body parts of the bull appear to be at different places, and this place is worshipped by the devotees of Panch Kedar. Visitors and pilgrims visit the Kedarnath temple with
Between June 13 and 17, the state of Uttarakhand had received an unusual amount of rainfall. This led to the melting of Chorabari Glacier and eruption of Mandakini River. The flood affected large part of Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and western Nepal. The heavy rainfall caused massive flash flood and landslide, resulting in the deaths of residents and tourists, as well as extensive damage to the properties. Reportedly, the worst hit was the Kedarnath Valley, popular for the 8th century temple, the Lord Shiva temple. The flood left behind the death toll of more than 5,000. Ecologist Chandrasekhar Kala notes in a report that the approximate cost of damaged bridge and road was $285 million, dam project worth $30 million, and loss to the state tourism worth $195 million. After Kedarnath incidents, there is a huge impact on tourism and citizens of Kedarnath, and a huge amount of loss of human life and property was enormous, with 580 confirmed deaths, 5,280 missing, including 92 foreign nationals. Destructions of bridges and roads left about 3 lakh pilgrims and tourists trapped in the valley, leading to 3 of the 4 Hindu Chota Char Dham pilgrimage sites. The Indian Air Force, the Indian Army, and paramilitary troops evacuated more than 110,000 people from the flood ravaged. Government agencies and priests of Kedarnath temple were planning mass cremations of the hundreds of victims. After 1 week of tragedy, local youth from several affected villages near Godavari helped stranded tourists and pilgrims by sending messages to their places. and providing food. Kedarnath. Almost 7 years after flash floods ravaged the Kedarnath Valley in Uttarakhand, killing around 5,000 people. Scientists have warned that conditions are developing for similar tragedy to again unfold in the region. They have attributed this to the rampant redevelopment work happening in Kedarnath, specifically parenting to the Samadhi Sthal memorial site for the 8th century Sri Adi Shankaracharya, who is believed to have passed away at Kedarnath. The manner in which works are being undertaken for the project is a grave cause for concern, scientists have said at a seminar held a few days ago in Dehradun, based the Wildlife Institute of India.